I want to wear this to the office today, but it needs to be appropriate, so let's figure it out. I have a couple of meetings with my boss, and the last thing I want to do is show up in a tube top, so I think I'm going to layer it. I can do a silky top or these white button-ups. I think I'm going to do this and pair that with these pants. Base layers are on. Let's put on this top. I've been obsessed with this top because A, it is so beautifully ruched on the side, and then B, this wire that runs throughout, you can actually mold it to your body so you can make it more interesting than it already is. And there is a zip on the side so you can get in and out very easily. That looks so good. I've decided to keep the collar very high because I like the way it looks, and I just love the contrast of the white and the black. Let's add an accessory. For perfume, I'm going to mix these two, kind of like how I mix two different aesthetics. So this is an orange perfume and this is vanilla, and together they make me smell like a creamsicle. I'm going to wear these Hermes earrings. Going to wear these comfortable Louboutin pumps. Wearing these Jacquemus Mage and carrying my black Birkin. Okay, let's go have meetings with my boss. Bye guys.